Chapter 5, Section 3. This should be another quick section for you. We are going to be working on scaling up and scaling down with our ratios. So jump to page 538 in your books. 538, not even close. 328, sorry. Page 328. We're going to start with question number 8 on 328. The muffin variety packs baked by the Healthy for You Bakery come in a ratio of 2 blueberry muffins to 5 total muffins. 2 to 5. If I take 2 to 20, I multiply by 10. Whatever you do at the top, do the bottoms, multiply that by 10, you end up with 50 muffins. When we are scaling up, all we are doing is making equivalent fractions. 2 goes to 30. You have to know what you multiply by. 15. 5 times 15 is 75. C. This time the denominator goes up. Went up by 20. 20 times 2 is 40. I told you it was easy. 2 goes to 50. Multiplied by 25. 5 times 25 is 125. Denominator, 5 goes to 15. Multiplied by 3. That means 2 goes to 6. And 2 can go to 28. 14. 5 times 14 is 70. On page 330, we can also scale down. Scaling down is just dividing. So if you have 3 people for 9 pizzas, that's your rate. 9 goes to 3. I divided by 3. 3 goes to 1. You have 2 hoagies. That's another word for a sub. 2 goes to 1. I divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 1 hoagie for 3 people. That better be a big hoagie. 25 goes to 1. I divided by 25. 100 divided by 25 is 4. There are 60 tracks on 5 CDs. If I take 5 to 1, I divide it by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 3 tickets. Goes to 1. I divided by 3. I didn't write that very well. Try that again. 26.25 divided by is $8.75 for 1 ticket. F, 20 goes to 1. I divided by 20. 240 divided by 20 is, I believe, 12. Yes, got it right. Numbers get harder. 12 went to 4. Think about how did I get from 4? I divided by 3. 720 divided by 3 is 240. And then the last one, 2 went to 1. I divided by 2. I have to divide this by 2. 3 halves. 3 divided by 2. You know your fractions. That equals 1.5. One more page. Let's skip that. Let's just jump right here. So for problem number 2, you're either scaling up or scaling down. I would like you to pause the video, take like 2 minutes, do these problems, and when you come back, the answers will be here. It's a good chance for you to practice, make sure you're doing it right. Yes, you could just wait till I start talking again and all the answers will appear, or you could take this opportunity, do a little practice, double check yourself, make sure you're doing it right. All right, so hopefully you practice. The answers are right there in front of you. If you have questions, be sure to ask. Pretty easy section, just basically making equivalent fractions. We'll be getting into tape diagrams soon. Everybody's favorite. It kind of looks like this. You'll have some numbers here. You'll have, like, say that's 12. You have to figure out that number. It's all fractions. Good job. That's it. Work on your practice problems.